Hey vlog, Kent here, flying solo again, this time to Hanoi, Vietnam. A city fueled by coffee, chaos, and charm. Basically my kind of place. Now, funny thing, this trip was supposed to happen last July on my birthday. But Mother Nature said, nope, not today. Storm hit, flight cancelled, birthday ruined. Or so I thought. Of course I was sad, who wouldn't be? But here's the thing, storms don't really ask for your permission. And if you can move the clouds, you might as well move the calendar. And that's what I did. Somewhere in that little fiasco, I realized how much power our minds actually hold. You can choose to wallow, or you can choose to spin the story a little differently. So instead of sulking over a missed birthday, here I am, August 20, 2025, finally making this trip happen. And honestly, maybe Hanoi was always meant to be a belated gift. Finally! Today marks my first official day in Hanoi, and yes, I'm excited. I can't wait to dive straight into two things, Bun Cha and the infamous Vietnamese coffee that is so strong it might actually reset my soul. I don't really have a rigid plan for today, just me, my camera, and the streets of Teho district where I'm staying. Sometimes the best adventures aren't planned at all, they're just walked into. So here's me, just wandering around Teho district. It was already past 11 a.m. when I finally left my accommodation because clearly I travel on vacation time, not alarm clock time. 10 minutes into my walk, I stumbled upon this tiny Bun Cha spot tucked away near where I'm staying. This was my very first Bun Cha and it was really good. However, I had nothing to compare it to. It's like dating your first crush and thinking, wow, this must be love. Spoiler alert, it's not always love. Later in the trip, I realized this one was actually on the sweeter side compared to the others. Still, first bites are special, and this was my first taste of Hanoi. After that Bun Cha, I head to this cafe tucked in an alley and ended up staying there for an amazing 3 hours. This is honestly what I love most about traveling solo. I get to take my time. No rush, no one waiting on me, no pressure to move, just me doing whatever I like. While I was sitting there, I started thinking about everything that happened this year. The good, the bad, and the stuff that I haven't really processed until now. Traveling alone kind of forces me to sit with my thoughts, and I think I needed that. For once, I was away from the noise, the pressure, and the expectations. It was just me, my coffee, and a little bit of peace. After my overly dramatic coffee session, I just kept walking and walking and walking around Teho district. Then I stumbled on this cute little shop. I went in without even checking what it was, and surprise, it turned out to be a matcha place. Now, here's the thing. I don't hate matcha, but I've also never really tried it. So I ordered one, and let's just say I now have a love-hate relationship with it. And in this video, you'll see me pretending to love it, when honestly, I don't. When night came, I decided to just stay in. Ordered Bun Cha again, obviously, and watched Jurassic World. Not the glamorous way to spend the night in Hanoi, but honestly, it was exactly what I needed. This is the side of solo travel that doesn't always make it to social media. The quiet nights, the simple routines, the feeling of just being alone without having to think about anything. No schedules, no expectations, just me, my food, and the movie. And maybe that's the real gift of traveling solo. It's not just about the sights or the bucket list moments. It's about having the space to slow down, to let life feel simple again. Nights like this remind me that being alone doesn't always mean being lonely. Sometimes, it's actually the most peaceful thing in the world.